Hey, what's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you another side hustle that you could probably do on in your spare time that can bring you in income. This is what I do on my spare time, and I am here at the auction. Look around, check out thousands of cars that come through the auction for a decent price, and I want to show you something. So this is what I do. I bought this car right here. It's running for 800 bucks from the auction, and here it is. Nothing special, but I am going to resell it. And I would suggest, if you get in the auction game, if you get in the car game, I would suggest you buying a jump box. I have a jump. That jump box allows you to jump off any car, because a lot of these cars out here, the batteries are dead. So this is a great side hustle for you to get involved in. You can rent your cars out. Not only rent your cars out, but you can resell them. So again, that car back there, I purchased it for 800 bucks. I think I'm all in at about $890 with the fees. So if you're interested in becoming a car dealer, please let me know. I can get you started. But again, this is a great side hustle. Thousands of cars are out here. Again, I'm gonna show you some more. And I am standing in the sold lot. So there are thousands of cars everywhere. Repos, from repossessions to trade-ins, and you can find any type of car out here. Great business to be a part of. Most trade-ins and most cars that you see come through the dealership come to the auction. And there's a lot that goes into this, but I'm just giving you surface level stuff right now. But it's a great business to be in. I've been in it for a while, and I do this on my side hustle. So again, if you're interested in it, please let me know. And again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and tell a friend. All right, peace.